Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make an animation video like this on the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut PC, and the first thing that you need to do is add the background first to the track. Now add another picture that you want to animate. In this case, I'm using this car. So I want to make the car move in this on the road here. Next, you can just put it on top as overlay. Then I'm going to adjust the duration to be the same as the background, 3 seconds. Okay, after that you can just fit the size of the overlay to match with the background. I'm going to put it in here, and now you can just adjust you can just go to the starting part, then add a keyframe in the position and size. Okay, then in here move a few seconds, then add another keyframe and move the car or move the object. Just repeat the same steps until you reach the position that you want. Okay, so I've already repeat the same steps for the entire clips, and now the animation will look like this, like the one I show you in the beginning. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button below. Bye!